Mechanic T12 soldering station. Aluminum alloy material, compact body, fast heat dissipation. Integrated heating core, fast heating. Support hot plugging, simple and efficient replacement. 5 gears, tap to switch quickly. When heating, long press any key to accurately adjust the temperature. In power on state, press the up/down key at the same time for temperature calibration, plus or minus 80 degrees adjustment. When shutting down, press the up/down key at the same time and then start up. You can set the sleep time, the unit is minute. Off state, press up or down key to switch Fahrenheit/Celsius.